Hi there, welcome to my channel, Ryan's Reviews, and today we're going to look at how to take other people's videos and legally put them on your channel. And this will do a number of things for you. One, it will help you build the authority of your YouTube channel, which is really good when you're just starting out. YouTube likes to see you publishing videos regularly. So what you could do is you could download a bunch of videos that other people have made on YouTube, and you can actually queue them where they will be published, let's say once a week or every 3 days. And this will build up your profile with YouTube and give you some extra authority. More importantly, also, if you want to get subscribers and also have subscribers who actually engage with your channel, you really should be posting regularly because that just reminds people who you are, or reminds them that you're there, and it will get them engaging more with your videos. And if you're going to do affiliate videos, help you get more sales. A third reason for doing this is you can make some extra passive income by just uploading a bunch of videos that aren't yours and enabling YouTube or Google's AdSense program, which basically puts up little ads on your videos and you get paid when people watch them. I will be honest, I don't really recommend that route because the money is very small. I tried it a couple years ago, and I was making about $10 a month in passive income. But for all the trouble that I went to in downloading and finding and arranging the videos, I didn't really feel it was worth my time. But hey, passive income is passive income. Okay, so let's start. So what do you do? Okay, so what you do is you go to YouTube and you do a search for a keyword of a video that you want to find. So I did WordPress plugins here. Okay, and as you can see, a whole bunch of videos have come up, which is great. So now what we want to do is we want to click over here on the filter. Okay, now I've done it already just because my internet's a bit slow and I wanted keep things fairly quick for you in this video. So you click over onto filter and you go over here under features. You'll see that I've highlighted Creative Commons, and that will basically give me all of these videos here. Okay, so all of these videos have come up in my search. I will warn you, not all of them will be Creative Commons. Sometimes I've had issues with this in the past. So what you want to do is you want to scroll through the videos that have come up under Creative Commons and check to make sure that they really are Creative Commons, because you do not want to get a strike against you from Google, okay, for copyright infringement. Okay, so I want to go with Best Freeform Builder Plugin for WordPress 2018, Happy Forms. Okay, so you go into your video. I mean, obviously you want to make sure that you actually like the video and that it's something that you would want to post onto your channel. Okay, I've done that already. I think this is a pretty cool video. And next, you want to go to the video description, click Show More, and this is how we double check to make sure it really is Creative Commons. Scroll all the way to the bottom of the description, you'll see there's category. Here we have license, and this is the type of license, Creative Commons Attribution License, reuse allowed. So that is basically your legal get out of jail free card that will let me download this video and I can upload it to my YouTube channel without breaking any copyright laws and without breaking any of YouTube's terms and conditions of use. And what I also recommend is you should actually click on this link, okay? Because this link will also, well, what it will do is it will explain to you any details, because the creator of the videos, they can specify specific terms. So you should read over this carefully to make sure that you don't unintentionally violate any of the terms of Google, okay, or any of the terms of the person who created the video. So that's also a good idea as well, is to actually click on that link and just make sure that however you plan on using that video is in line with the conditions of using it. Otherwise, it could get flagged. Okay, so we found our video, okay? And the next thing you want to do is you want to click this link up here, okay? Click copy. And then you want to go to another site. Okay, the one that I like to use is it's called Online Video Downloader, and the address here is en.savefrom.net or n.savefrom.net. I go here and I click and paste the link of the YouTube video that I'm allowed to use, okay? And as you can see, it comes up and I can download it. And it's that simple. What you can do is you can also choose the different forms to download it in, right? And that's it. So I could download it as an MP4 if I wanted, right? And MP4 is what you really want, because you can then re-upload it to YouTube. Now there are other downloading sites. I personally think this one is the best. Okay, so it's downloaded. Now I have my video, and all I got to do is go back to my YouTube channel, and I can go to create my video, and I upload it. That's it. Okay, that's all there is to it. I highly recommend opening your video and editing it. There are a couple of free editors out there. I use Flashback Pro right now, and they have a free version which I used when I first started making my review videos, called Flashback Express, which is very good. And so you would want to open it in your video editor and maybe you know, chop it up a bit, add some features, you know, customize it so that it's in line with your YouTube channel. But that's it. That's how you find the legal videos that you can hijack to build up your YouTube channel. And again, you could upload hundreds or thousands of these, and you know, just make money from using the Google AdSense program. That's it for today. Thanks a lot. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys later.